everybody, my name is Saran and this is Flora. So Flora, what's in your beak today? You're going to give us a clue. What do you mean you're not going to give us? Oh, nothing in your beak? No. You're going to show us something. Oh, okay. Right. I'm ready. Are you ready? Okay. Bounce? No? Okay, okay. Watch very carefully. Okay, I'm watching really carefully. You're watching really carefully. Is it jumping? Yeah, you were jumping, weren't you? Okay, so should we use the word jump? Yes? Okay, jump. Oh, can you say jump? What sound does the word jump begin with? J? Yeah, it's j for jump. Okay, so now it's time to have a look to see what the sound j looks like. The sound is j. The letter name is J. This is a capital J. This is a small j. We'll see you again soon. Bye.